Isaac Newton's Three Laws of Motion
by Melissa Harder
and Anna Hosser.
Isaac Newton. He was born on January 4th, 1643 in Woodsthorpe, England, United Kingdom. Newton actually studied for a degree in law. Throughout his life, Newton continued his research into a wide range of subjects including mathematics, optics, astronomy, and alchemy.
Newton's first law of motion. Every object in a state of uniform motion tends to remain in that state of motion unless an external force is applied to it. It is also often called the law of inertia. In this example of the first law of motion, you can see the ball is at rest. Now Anna hits it and it becomes an object in motion.
Newton's second law of motion. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. The formula for the second law is force equals mass times acceleration. I need to make this like 3. In this example of the second law of motion, you could see Melissa rolling a basketball and a baseball down the hill. In this case, the basketball has less mass, meaning it needs less force exerted onto it.
Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
This law states that in every interaction, there is a pair of forces acting on the two interacting objects.
In this example of the third law of motion, you could see Anna and Melissa jumping. You see that the reaction is Anna and Melissa being shot back up into the air.
Newton himself would tell the story of an apple falling from a tree, giving him inspiration for his work on gravity. However, there is no evidence he was actually hit by an apple. He died March 31st, 1727 in London, England, United Kingdom. One of Newton's most famous quotes was, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of a giant."
Melissa, are you okay?
My face
Did you
above
die?
the water.
Are your hands cold?
My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around.
I can't breathe.
Slowly drifting away.
In this example of the third law of motion, you can see Melissa jumping. You can see that Melissa